Hey there, viewers! We're always trying to cram superfoods into our diet. Superfoods have some really good health benefits. Hemp seeds, probiotic waters, the list goes on. Let's talk about capers today. Capers are the tiny green, unripened flower buds you see on fancy meals. Originating in the Mediterranean, capers go great on eggplant, fish, and pasta. But what can they do for your health? Do they help allergies? What about your skin? Wait, are they actually good for diabetics? We're talking about all that and more. Number 1. Great for diabetics. Sugary and fried foods can quickly elevate your blood sugar level. They can also stop your liver from working properly. Research has shown that capers reduce high levels of bad cholesterol in diabetics. This will safeguard your kidneys and liver. Have you ever had capers? What foods do you enjoy capers on? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Helps you lose weight. Capers have a lot of fiber. About 100 grams will give you almost 3 to 4 grams of fiber. The more fiber you eat, the less hungry you'll be. Eating roasted capers will also keep your overall calorie count low. This is great for getting you back in shape and getting your old clothes to fit again. Definitely something to consider. Number 3. Reduces cholesterol. Too much bad cholesterol can make you obese. If you're cautious about your diet and only prefer foods with low cholesterol, capers are right for you. A study has shown that harmful lipids can be reduced by consuming caper extract. If the extracts can do this much, think about what a whole caper will do. Getting the proper amount of cholesterol goes a long way. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 4. Makes your bones strong. Vitamin K is absolutely essential for strong bones. A vitamin K deficiency can lead to serious bone conditions like osteoporosis and arthritis. If you have a decent amount of capers on the regular, you can be sure the vitamin K will strengthen those bones. Number 5. Protects you from skin cancer. This one is bound to turn some heads. Exposure from harmful UV violet rays can lead to skin cancers like melanoma. Research has shown the photoprotective properties of capers can reduce redness on your skin. You just need to eat them frequently. If you've been a patient of eczema or psoriasis for a long time, try a jar of capers. Your skin is much more likely to improve. Serious skin conditions and ailments vanish with the help of capers. It's a great source of flavonoids like rutin and quercetin, along with vitamin E. Almost every beauty cream is enriched with vitamin E. This is because it helps the skin cells. Just placing vitamin E on your skin is less effective than actually consuming it, so using cream is pretty much useless. Capers also provide your skin with some much-needed moisture, relieving you from dryness and other problems. If you're conscious about your looks, you might choose to go under the knife to get rid of these fine lines, wrinkles, and loose skin. This is because of the free radicals that attack your body. Just a handful of capers can boost tissue health and fight anti-aging for younger skin. Before we continue, do you have too many acids building up in your body? Take a quick look at these 9 acidic foods you should stay away from. Now back to our discussion on capers. Number 6. Keeps allergies at bay. Allergies can do a lot of damage, from rashes to heavy breathing. These are usually brought on by things like mast cells and histamine. Capers fight these by producing compounds and controlling the effects of cells. With the power of these compounds, the chances of getting sick decrease. If you suffer from allergies on the regular, have some capers with your next meal. Number 7. Boosts your immune system. A study done on animals showed that eating capers could enhance your immunity by quite a bit. This made them strong and gave them the capability to fight off infections. Extracts of capers have also been shown to remove harmful microbes and bacteria from our bodies. This builds up your immunity. If you'd like to lower your chances of sickness, I'd put more capers in my food. Number 8. Eases constipation. Having trouble going to the bathroom? This is what happens when your diet is filled with processed foods. Capers will give your body more fiber. This will loosen your bowels, allowing you to push things out. Capers absorb excess water from the gut, which softens your stools. Your trips to the bathroom just got a whole lot easier. Capers are also a must-try for anyone suffering from piles and hemorrhoids. Just adding them to your food will resolve these issues in a matter of days. They can also help people on the gassier side. Number 9. Fights against anemia. Feeling dull and tired all the time? This is a pretty clear sign of anemia. This is when you lack the right amount of red blood cells to carry oxygen to your body's tissues. Get your blood iron levels checked right away. This way you can figure out if anemia is the cause. Not having enough hemoglobin in the blood can lead to anemia. Iron is essential for hemoglobin in order to combine with oxygen and improve your daily activities. If you wake up tired in the morning after a good 8 hours of sleep, it's probably due to anemia. Capers have a lot of iron. Eating more of them will reduce your chances of anemia. The vitamin C in capers will also make a difference. Number 10, reduces congestion. Do you ever get a stuffy nose? Some people have a stuffy nose all year round. Too much phlegm and mucus gather in your respiratory tract and chest. Capers can help you breathe easier and provide relief by loosening up your chest. Number 11, protects your teeth. Your teeth are made up of calcium and other minerals. Caries can take away calcium out of your teeth. Therefore, it's essential to supplement your diet with extra calcium. Capers are beneficial for people having brittle teeth, swollen gums, and poor density of minerals such as copper, calcium, sodium, and iron. It's only a matter of time before we see toothpaste commercials advertising caper extract as their star ingredient. Number 12, it makes your eyes healthier. This is because of the vitamin A in capers. It fights off the early onset of cataracts and cancer. It also improves your vision as you age. Number 13, makes hair healthier. The vitamin B in capers is known to increase the blood supply to your scalp. Increased blood flow improves your hair health. If you suffer from hair loss and weak hair, capers are just going to make those strands stronger. No need to wear hats or roll your hair up in buns. You'll soon want to flaunt your hair everywhere you go. So, what are the dangers? Capers are loaded with sodium. A 100-gram serving will have 115% of your daily sodium. Too much sodium can cause water retention and make you feel bloated. You may also feel extremely thirsty. Pregnant and lactating women should only have capers after talking to their doctor. What are some good recipes? Mediterranean lentil salad is the perfect meal to satisfy your hunger quickly. It's a mixture of green lentils, onions, parsley, basil, tomatoes, pine nuts, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese shavings, salt, pepper, and of course, loads of capers. For a twist on the usual chicken piccata, take a bowl of pasta, top it with a cooked piece of chicken. Now top that chicken with some buttered capers and rosemary. One of my favorite recipes is quick and hassle-free. You can fry capers which have been previously salted and patted dry. It's a crunchy snack you can drool over. But let's not limit ourselves to these recipes only. You can do it any way you like. Some love capers on smoked salmon with tomato slices, while some enjoy it with burgers and pizza toppings. The possibilities are endless. Let's face the truth, pizza is addictive. You just can't refuse a slice. But check out our video on what eating pizza once a week will do to your body. Are you interested in learning what happens when berries enter your system? Watch what eating berries every day for a week will do to your body. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to become healthier. Do you have any other caper recipes? Let us know in the comments below.